My name is Pastry and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and watch the ads. Don't skip the ads. So I did notice that you guys really like the mini vlog, so today is going to be a mini vlog, and it's a my 9 to 5 but the work from home edition. So today I didn't go to the office. This is just the activities after my work from home. I do have to get some groceries and be outside for a little bit, so I'll definitely take you through it, and I hope that you enjoy. The one who leaves the bag on the floor. So I'm gonna go now to the shops, just needing to grab a few things. And I was just saying to my colleague that I'm always just very depressed in winter. Like, I just don't enjoy gloomy weather, and today I felt so much better because the sun is out. So I'm going to take my time in the sun and bask. I want to try Pastry products, so we're definitely going to go and check them out. And because it's getting quite dry, I want to see if I can get like a body lotion or even a body wash that's going to be like hydrating and all of that. So I'll show you my nighttime routine for the winter, because it is getting dry. I do have like oily skin, but it is getting dry and I can feel it. So let me go and we'll catch up later. Like, not depressed, but that it eats, that doesn't have skin, or the under the skin, the tough.
Now I know. Yeah. I said was something. You did something.
Everything. It's a cold. Hey guys, I'm going back home now. Yo, did I not walk trying to find beauty on tap? Like, whoa. I couldn't see it, and oh gosh, and I'm that type of person. I won't ask or use that navigation or that map thing, but it's fine. I just got the body butter, so we're gonna try that out, but I definitely have to go back for the body wash. So we're definitely gonna try that. So let me get home. I have such a headache. I don't know if it's dehydration. Did I eat today? Hey boy, I didn't eat today. I didn't eat. Oh my god. All I had was tea. Oh my god. Okay, look, I have to go eat. My body's complaining. We'll catch up when I'm at home. Guys, I just want to eat before I pass out, and also give this face mask a chance to just seep in, and then I'll just moisturize. Well, the only one who puts mayonnaise in everything. Is it tacky? This is actually really nice. Very, very tasty. My review on Pastry, like, I really enjoy it. And I don't know how to explain the consistency because it's not oily, but as soon as you put it on your skin, it moisturizes. Like, I actually, yeah. Okay, but let's use it for like a couple of days. Like, I've been using it for not even 2 hours, so let's give it time. But I really do enjoy like the consistency, because you don't even have to use a lot to spread it around. So really enjoying it. Yeah, just open to trying new skincare, and it's also something that I notice about my face, but I'm a bit hesitant to try anything on my face. I just don't use anything on my face. But yeah, definitely will try the body wash and also the under eye cream. You know, it's time to fight the age, it's time to fight the sag. So I'm gonna try the under eye cream. Yeah, so it's either gonna be from Pastry or Standard, because that's a brand that I've used before and I really liked their body wash as well. So that's the plan for the winter season. Hopefully, you know, my skin responds well to it. I actually just want to see whether it's actually going to remove the marks on my body, because, you know, with some my body scars, so I just want to see that if it's going to balance my skin out and all of that. So I'll give you guys some feedback, maybe in my normal vlogs. But yeah, I really think I'm going to enjoy it, but let's see. Hey guys, it's evening time and I'm about to go to bed. It's been quite a long day, but I'm really glad that I'm about to sleep. I have an early morning tomorrow, so I do need to get my hours in. Yeah, so it's been quite an interesting start to 2024. Like, some good, some bad, you know, some good things, some bad things. I'm actually quite, things are moving fast, because thinking about the things that happened in the beginning of the year, but at this point it feels like it has been like a long time, but it's actually only been a couple of months, but it feels like the year's been running quite quickly. But really happy that, you know, I'm getting through some of the vision board goals that I had, and, you know, some I'd targeted for the end of the year, but things are picking up, which is so exciting. And yeah, just to be able to work on something or focus on something and see it grow is so rewarding, and I really do appreciate it. You know, just changing my perspective in life, just being more cautious and guarded, but also just enjoying life. But I do think, you know, getting back to myself has been quite important for me, and it's been working. So I'm happy. I'm at peace right now. Like, right, I really am happy. So let me get into bed. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog, and please do come back for the next one. I'll make sure that I keep these videos coming. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Especially has a channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.